Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you the new PTFS update, and we're gonna have a quick sneak peek in aircraft development. Current project is the 757-200 and F4 Phantom. Let's go and see. So I'm gonna start with the 757-200 fighter, and it looks amazing. And on this side does. The nose wheel looks stunning. Same with these rear landing gears. With the engines, actually look really nice. Onto the APU, looks very detailed and amazing. Now we're in the inside, looks very nice. Well, standard for a cargo. And inside the cockpit, and here's the cockpit. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. I need to see that again. Look at this, guys. It is amazing. That detail, especially the yoke and the gauges. So here is the fighter variants with a FedEx, UPS, and a DHL. Very light, nice. Also with a blank livery, we have a United States of America 757, so we have Air Force One, with another very detailed interior. Why is everyone sitting down in the plane? With a lounge room. And that's it for the 757 Air Force One. Time to go on to the airliners. So for the airliners, let's see in the interior. We got a first class section and a lot of economy seats. Also, it has a winglet, which looks very nice. Onto the liveries now, we have an Aer Lingus, an American Airlines, British Airways, Delta, EasyJet, Condor, a Jet2 Holiday, Pack 2E, Air Baltic, Singapore, United, Iberia, and Cebu Pacific. With the new airlines, they get winglets, but with the old ones, they don't get winglets.